Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a very easy melt and pour project using this brambleberry shell mold here I really like. I will leave some options for similar molds down in the description, where you will also find all tools and ingredients that I'm using or recommending. The mold, very sturdy, very high quality. Then for colorant, I would like to go for a translucent look with some shimmery kind of mica and maybe such a peacock type of color here, something between a blue and a green, turquoise maybe. And then for fragrance oil, I'm going to be using an ocean fragrance oil from Nurture Soap. The first thing that we're going to do is to cut the melt and pour soap base to smaller chunks, so it will be easier to melt in the microwave or in the double boiler, depending on what you are using. If you are using a microwave, please use short increments of 30 seconds. So I will transfer this to a heat-safe container. I like these Pyrex jugs here because you can be absolutely sure that nothing will happen. Good, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this to the microwave, and then we're gonna come back when the soap is fully melted. As you can see, the soap base is now fully melted. What I'm gonna do before I start now to add some biodegradable glitter at the bottom of the soap mold, just to give it a little bit an additional interest. Okay, now let's see how we are going to color this one. I'm gonna start with the glitter, just a little bit. I think this doesn't need so much for it to have a good kind of effect. We can still add some more later on, and then I'm going to add some of this turquoise. And I like a whisk for melt and pour because I think it incorporates the color really great. Doesn't look so bad. I want it to be a little bit more vibrant. And if you have troubles for the mica to fully disperse, you can just give it a spritz with rubbing alcohol. This will help it to completely incorporate. This looks good. Let's add a little bit more of the glitter. Okay, this is great. It looks really like nice and pearly. This is what I wanted to have. Let's go ahead and add the fragrance oil to it. Melt and pour does not need much fragrance oil because it holds the fragrance really well. With your supplier to see what is the recommended percentage. Usually you don't need more than 1%. So this looks nice, smells nice. So the only thing left to do now is to pour it into the mold. Here we go. I always like to use a tray. So that I can move the project if needed. Great. Now see these little bubbles here on the surface. You can also spritz them away with rubbing alcohol. They are gone. Now we wait for it to completely harden, and then you can join me later on for some packaging ideas after the unmolding. In the meantime, these are completely hardened. So let's see how they turned out. Beautiful. Absolutely love it. I don't know if you can see the little glitter here on top. Looks fabulous. So let's go and package these up. It's very important, especially with melt and pour soap, that you add it to a cellophane bag or a shrink wrap right away, because it will attract moisture from the air otherwise and start to sweat. I'm going to add it to a bag like so, and then add such a ribbon to it. I made some stickers here for this project. If you are one of my patrons, of course, you have free access to these. I made this beach soap. Cute. Just gonna pop it here on top. And I'm also gonna go ahead and make a gift box. A quick, economic and unique way to make your own gift box is with the envelope punch board. I have many projects here on my channel going over how exactly you do that. I'm not gonna explain this. I'm just gonna go ahead and make this quick gift box for this project. And then show you the final result. And our package is finished. If you're interested in similar soap making related videos, feel free to check out the playlist here on the screen where you will find many more. I see you in the next video, and until then, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye!